So today we're going to be cleaning up my hood. I'm gonna start wrapping it with this. It came in a few days ago, probably 2 days ago, and I haven't gotten to it because I just waxed my car and I wasn't sure if I wanted to wait out I wasn't sure if I wanted to wait it out or start cleaning it again. I decided to just clay bar the wax off, and I'm just gonna start wrapping it today because I really want to see the color on my car.
Daughter, a young woman called Pascualita. The poor girl had actually died on her wedding day, not long before the life-size doll was placed in the window display. Looking at it close, the window shoppers noticed just how natural the mannequin's skin appeared, the fine expression lines on her face, and how realistic the nails on her fingers were. As you can
we met a few snobs sneering with the "who invited you" look in our direction, but mostly people were lovely, especially when they found out we brought a special kind of tobacco with us. We drank long into the night somehow. The police didn't actually turn up for the first few hours. They must have been busy with the other more criminal stuff, but eventually turn up they did. But honestly, it was all part of the experience. It's not a true house party unless the busybodies show up. They were actually pretty cool about the whole thing, too. They didn't shout, they didn't stop, search, or arrest anyone. They just... The lad ended up laying it down the street as we chased him. I have no idea what we were going to do, but we were angry and scared. So I'm sort of glad we didn't catch up to him.